Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your popular apps to your needle.ai account. Connecting all of your popular apps to your needle.ai account ensures that you don't have to switch multiple tabs or go open multiple apps. Instead, you can consume all the information at a single screen. To integrate or connect your apps, you need to click on the plus icon which is present in front of Connected Sources section. Once you click on the plus icon, it will show you a list of all the available apps. If you have any app already connected, they will come under the connected sections. The rest of the apps will appear on the top. To connect any app, you simply need to click on connect and follow the steps mentioned. We also have individual tutorials and guides for all the apps. You can check out our support page for more instructions. Once done with connection, the app will start appearing in the connected apps section. You can also choose to manage the app integration by connecting only particular sources or data from those apps. For example, for Telegram, you can click on manage and choose the contacts and or groups that you want to connect. And this will ensure that you cut out all the irrelevant noise and only connect what is relevant to you for your work. You can do the similar bit for Google Drive, Gmail and other sources. Here you can click on manage and then again go to the files and folders which are relevant. Once you connect your apps, all the apps will start showing under the app section. You can go to individual apps and consume information from them individually. Data from all of these apps will also come in your My Data. In here, the data will be segregated as per categories. So you can see I have websites, exchanges, chats, emails, social media, and so on and so forth. Once you go here, you will see information from all your connected apps in a single place. I hope this was helpful. If you need any further help, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you.